welcome back to my channel. I want to welcome you. What is Spur Protocol saying again? What is happening to Spur Protocol? What is what we want to look at in this live stream tonight? What is Spur Protocol saying? So as I'm waiting for other people to join, I will go right away and start telling us about Spur Protocol. Is the Spur Protocol a hidden opportunity, or is it a crypto trap? What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And as you are joining, let me know where you are joining from in the comment section also. Are you joining from where? From Ilorin? From where? Anywhere you are joining from, tell me in the comment section, and we will take it up from there. As you mentioned where you are joining from, I'm going to be calling out your name and giving you a shout out and recognizing you in the chat section below this video. Let me know where the location where you are joining from, and then I'm going to give you a shout out. I will mention your name and let other people know you are there. So as I said, I'm looking at the Spur Protocol. Is Spur Protocol, is it hidden opportunity or a crypto trap? It has been funny. They have postponed their launch for about 3 times. Even the TGE, we are having issues with it. So I want to do some analysis here, and this analysis will tell us whether we are in good hands or we should look elsewhere for what we seek. So just give me a minute. I'm trying to set up something so that I can know. I want to check my volume using my laptop, because I made a video some time ago and I was busy talking. Eventually I realized later on that the people did not get to hear what I was saying. Was not they didn't get to hear it. The audio was not coming out. Okay, I can see that the audio of this one is good. So I just simply try to do an audio check. So as I said, I'm talking about Spur Protocol. Is it a scam or is it real? That is what we're talking about in this video tonight. And many people have taken part in this Spur Protocol project, and they are wondering what is happening in the real terms. So is it a scam or is it real? Is it full of opportunities for them or not? I will take us through certain things about the Spur Protocol for the sake of those who don't know anything about it, and for those who are joining the Spur Protocol for the first time. Personally, I have been taking part in the Spur Protocol for some time, and I was doing it every day, doing it, and gathering my points. Eventually, when they notified us of about 2 to 3 weeks that they're going to do the TGE, they said we must have 200 points, 200 Spur points. And based on that, I had to beg my students who I'm teaching YouTube, I had to beg them to please use my fire link to join. So that boosted immediately. I surpassed the 200 points they wanted, so it qualified me for the airdrop. And then they will say they are going to make the airdrop, the TGE, in November. It didn't come. Then they said December, it didn't come. The TGE have gone. They've started the second part. They said they are going to list in this thing February 5. Currently now they are saying that is it the broker or something like that, they're not trustworthy. There's a kind of pre-sale. They say they're not involved in the pre-sale. A lot of things are happening concerning Spur Protocol. So they said for now, action about the listing, according to them, I was suspended indefinitely. I'm very, very suspicious of projects like this that don't go straight to the point. They keep changing the rules. At least Spur Protocol have changed the rules up to 4 times. And when you keep changing rules like that, you get to be suspicious of such a project. That is the same thing Grow Network did. Grow Network came and they said this, as people are trying to achieve that, they shift the goalpost. As they are trying to achieve that, they shifted the goalpost 3 times. Then they changed the name from Grow Network to another thing. Then people strive to achieve that. They change the name again. They change the app. You say you go and update the app. You update the app, everything you have made is lost. So it's like they just kept changing and changing, and they gave promise at the start every time on WhatsApp or whatever, telling people they are going to do them well, they are going to do this, but eventually many people have to back out because of such. So Spur Protocol is a Web3 decentralized finance platform that is positioning itself as an accessible gateway into decentralized finance. So it's a crypto airdrop. It's a Web3 crypto airdrop, like other crypto airdrops, but it came with great promise for people, but events did not show any real promise. So I've given us a lowdown. They are matched, they have people, a lot of people in their community and many other places and many other things like that. So in this video, we want to look at the opportunities and the possible developments, token launch and community incentives. That is what we're going to be looking at in this video and many other things. In the Spur Protocol, there's this aspect that involves daily quizzes that let users earn rewards. I've taken part in a daily quiz. There's even on online, there are different, on Twitter, on TikTok, some people post the daily quiz and the result, they post it there. So what I do is that any one of the daily quiz question I don't get, I go on Google, I check it, and then I scan through and I get the answer. And sometimes when I don't get the answer, I leave it. It's not to do what I feel. After all, I've met their minimum, which is 200,000 points. Then airdrop for early holders. So I qualify for that. I hope you also qualified. Then they have a reward systems built into the app. So there's many other things that you do to earn points. Even if you've done the 3 or 2 that are mandatory, you can still do more by watching adverts. All those things I did them to build up my points. Then the Spur Protocol is a multi-chain. It has a multi-chain, and they have partners. According to CoinGaber, Spur Protocol aims to protect or to support multiple blockchain network, which can broaden its utility and user base. So they have plans. They have big plans, but the issue is all this changing of dates. It weakens the community. So it has strategic partnerships with ICB network. It has partnership with Karat DAO for privacy and interoperability tools. This is according to Blockchain Reporter. Then it has a large community and reward engagement. According to Femex, it has more than 300,000 plus followers on social media and Telegram communities, approaching similar numbers. So people are really following the Spur Protocol in large numbers, believing that, okay, what they couldn't get from other airdrops, at least this one is likely to give them. But the things that is happening in recent time make me to want to wonder if they are really serious or not. Because as you have gained the momentum, people are already following you. Then you change the goalpost, some people will drop back. Then as some people continue again, you change the goalpost, some people will drop back. So it's like they are putting all this before people. Why do you need to put audio? After they have bought data, taken part in the airdrop, done everything, they have qualified. They have the minimum. Some have even spent money on the app to get qualified. And now for you to do the CG and launch, you are dilly-dallying. Now here are some risks and cautions that we need to take. Number one is that listing delays and communication issues. Even when they delayed the listing, they didn't communicate on time. It took them time before they communicated. And then when they communicated, it was not really straightforward. You just find it somewhere around about their communication. So it was not really straightforward. So that is going to be an issue. So we have delays in exchange listing. That is a risk. That's a risk. It's like somebody promised you, is owing you some money, and they promise that I will pay you by month end. Month ended 25, 26, 27, you're expecting. Up to 30, 31, the person will not give you. Then the person now told you on the 31st that please wait until the 3rd of the month. By the 3rd of the month, the person now said please wait until the 7th. By the 7th of the month, the person said please wait until the 10th. Eventually, the person is saying please until the end of the 2nd month. How are you going to feel? You will believe that the person is not serious or does not want to pay you. And then if you have anything that you want to do, to make the person to pay fast, you may want to do it. So the same thing is happening here to Spur Protocol. They are listing delays and communication issues is there, and this is reported according to MEXC. So also they have the problem of uncertainty and market sentiment. There's uncertainty with the Spur Protocol, and there's uncertainty with their market sentiment, and this is affecting how people are seeing it. People are seeing it as risky, that they may not eventually do well. So this you can also see in MEXC. Now, also volatility and speculation is another thing. This Spur Protocol is traded the pre-sale is traded. The Spur Protocol team have come out to say that they are not involved in the pre-sale. So how can you have a coin? How can you have a coin, SON coin, Sun coin, and then the pre-sale is going on, you don't know about it? And now they are saying that the broker or something that they are using, they want to change them, they're not sure about them. And they said listing now, the launching is not, there's no specific date. So the volatility and speculation is also there. That is also another risk. Then no guaranteed utility yet. So the Spur Protocol has no guaranteed utility like many other coins. At least when they launch, we can be sure that okay, it's moving towards utility. But here they are currently saying that the launch date is not known. There's suspension on it indefinitely. So all these things are pointers and there are risks for everyone. So is Spur Protocol an opportunity or a trap? Now, here is a balanced view. The opportunity in it is as follows: large community and incentive participation. That means people are involved. That's an opportunity. Then multi-chain ambitions and strategic tech partnerships. You see, they listed a lot of people that they want to partner with, even though it's not active yet. Then token distribution via airdrops and rewards. All these are being proposed, planned. These are opportunities which have not materialized. Then we have potential decentralized finance integrations and utility once it goes live. So all these are opportunities, and the delay in its going live is a big deal for those who took part in the project. Now, here are the risks that we have regarding this Spur Protocol. Number one risk is that exchange listing delays and communication issue. They've changed the listing date many times. That's a risk. It's a pointer that, are you sure something good is going to come out of this? Then we have weak pre-sale uptake signals caution. They are saying there's pre-sale going on. There's weak pre-sale signals uptake. And the Spur Protocol came up now. They are saying that they are not involved in the pre-sale. That means they're not. It sounds funny. So that is a risk. The initial utility is not fully realized. It's not fully established. That is another risk in the Spur Protocol. Then this speculative nature could lead to high volatility. So the way they are going, they have been pushing things around. Once people get it, once they launch, people want to sell off. And that will make the price to drop and to drop and to keep dropping. So that is that about that. So the bottom line is that Spur Protocol is not clearly a scam, because there are some indicators you look at when you say something is a scam. They don't have those indicators. There's some indicators you see when a project is a real and a true project. They have those indicators of a true project. So they don't have indicators of a scam, but it is still early, risky, and speculative. Like most new crypto projects, it should be approached with cautious interest, not blind optimism. So I didn't put any money in the Spur Protocol, and if you put money, well, good luck to you. I have advised that you should not put any money in any of the crypto airdrops, no matter what. What I've done in the past, Rocky Rabbit, I put money, no, nothing came out. I paid for myself, paid for my wife, paid for my daughter, paid for somebody a referral. That's about 6,000, thinking that we are going to get something out of it. Nothing came out of it. The same thing with tomato. Yeah, tomato or something. The same thing with goats, the same thing with cats. They eventually gave dust at the end of the day. The one I really enjoyed is Major. I put something and I got something substantial, which I withdrew and I used. So whatever decision you want to take on Spur Protocol, I want to do your own research and never invest money you can't afford to lose. In fact, in crypto airdrop, I don't encourage you to put a dime again. don't put any money in crypto airdrop again. So this Spur Protocol, I will advise you not to put any money. If you cannot just mine and do anything and it's not going, then you leave it. So these are the key takeaways for the Spur Protocol. Number one is that Spur Protocol has real features and community strength. It is not ghosted. Number two is that exchange delays and demand signals and suggests higher risk. Then the third takeaway is that value remains largely speculative until real usage grows. So until the list, before we know where we are going, then crypto always carries risk. You should know that. That's another takeaway. So you should do your own research, and risk management is very, very important. So I have shown you the hidden opportunity in Spur Protocol, whether it is a crypto trap or not. It has hidden opportunity and it has some risk. So only time will tell what is going to happen eventually. But what I'm driving at eventually is that trade with caution. Don't just put money in it. Don't just put your hope in any crypto airdrop. Just trade them with caution. And then if it comes, well, we enjoy it. And if it does not come, we move and take it as one of those things. Dr. Olubengali is my name, and this is my YouTube channel where I teach you about how to make money. And I'm focusing on one of the SDGs, which is giving you opportunities, equal opportunity for all. And this is what this is all about. Digital and the blockchain and getting something out of it is part of the SDG, which aims to help you to be what you ought to be. So this is what I'm going to stop at this time. SDG 1 and 2, talking about hunger and other things. If you're able to make some change from here, then it can help to reduce poverty and also ensure that you are not hungry. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, please subscribe to this channel, like, and share the link of this video with your family and friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.